look over here, we're working on our Chevelle today. We just got back from the upholstery shop yesterday. Now, this over here is the passenger side door, okay? All right, first of all, let me explain something. First of all, what we did is we stripped this car down to bare metal. We came back and we cleaned it all off with vinegar water, 50-50 vinegar water mix, and then we put white DP, PPG brand DP epoxy white primer on the bare metal. Now what that does, that's gonna seal our metal. Now, okay, I always like to go back wherever the bodywork is, and I like to, okay, grind it down to bare metal. With epoxy, DP epoxy primer, you really don't have to. You can actually do the bodywork right on top of the epoxy primer. Okay, but I don't like doing that way because I like a nice bond of Bondo onto the bare metal. Now if you look over here, as you can see what I'm doing, that's rust. Okay, these cars, okay, the GM body, this era of GM cars is very, very common and popular for rust in the bottom lower corners of our door. And also the lower corners of our fenders, okay, get rusted out very bad on, and that goes for Pontiac GTOs, Chevelles, Camaros, Malibus, you know, blah blah, all the A-body, whatever this, you know, fucking car is, a fucking, you know, this year fucking Chevrolet, General Motors car, they're all prone for rust in the corners of the doors, as you see right here, okay? And that's pretty common to fix that. I don't know if you can see that or not. That's the door jamb right here. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna grind that out, okay? I'm gonna replace right here, okay? I'm gonna go ahead and cut that out, but I'm gonna grind the edge of this, because what I'm gonna do to make that look like factory original, I'm gonna go ahead and grind. Look real close right here in this area, you'll see where the door skin is rolled around, okay? What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my grinder and I'm gonna grind this edge off right here, see? And I'm gonna grind this edge off. And then, this is a spot weld right there, if you look real close. Okay, then we come down and we don't have any more, so that one there, if it goes up, which it goes, we don't have to because it goes a little higher than where we're going. Okay, so I will grind that off, and then I'm gonna cut my piece of metal where it's actually longer, okay? That way, when I bend it over, I'll be able to cut it, and what I'm gonna do is I will seam that back together, that one corner, and when it's all done, it will look factory original like it was never replaced. So the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put my safety glasses on, see? Just like that. Then, on this edge right here that I was telling you about, I'm gonna take my grinder and I'm gonna grind it off until I can see where that splits. So watch close here. The only way that you can fix this type of rust. We're going to go ahead and cut a nice even square. Now to do that, I'm going to use some tape. We want a nice square edge. Okay? So take your tape, lay it down just like that. Come back. That way when we make our pattern, it's going to look nice and clean. See? Then I'm going to cut that out just like you see it. Voila! Now what the fuck is that? Exactly. Rust. Okay, rust. Rust from hell. Rust, 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 rust. That's what that is, okay? And that motherfucker's hot because I don't got my gloves on. But we got it cut out, okay? Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna clean the back side of this door. We're gonna get that lip off there that's rolled around, okay? And then I'm gonna make a pattern out of cardboard. I'm gonna cut a brand new piece out, and you can probably figure it out from there, okay? So let me get that done. We're gonna see what it looks like before I weld it in. Is there somebody in my fucking backyard? Because it sure does sound like it. Fucking better not be. Okay, I still gotta clean all this out. I'm gonna put some rust prep on it to kill the rust and get the backside clean. I'll get that cut out. We're gonna come back and check it out. This is Pete. Stick back with. As you see, we went ahead and cut right there the back side of that lip off the door. So that's all cleaned out around there. And of course, this is the inside of the door we're looking at. Let me back it up and show you. Okay. So there's the inside of the door. And here's a little tech tip for everybody out there. If you need to hold your door open and you ain't got no other way to do it, you can always use a motorcycle strap. And that'll hold your door open nice and handy so you can fucking work on your door. Now, we got our hole all cleaned out. As you can see, I like that little phrase. As you can see, that means, are you fucking paying attention? The next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna make us a pattern. What I do is I get me a little piece of poster board and I cut it, okay? Now, for me to make that pattern, I'm gonna put it right on the edge there, just like that, see? And I'm gonna take my finger with my gloves on, because I don't want to cut my hand. I'm gonna rub that edge, see? Just like that. And if you look real close, you can see the outline that I made. Now, I will make this longer, okay, when I cut it out, I'll make it longer. And then I will line it up on there, I'll butt weld it. It'll be hanging over on the bottom and the side. And I'll figure out how much I need to cut off all the way around, and I'll roll those edges. So let me can't see me cutting with the scissors, that's too bad. Just like that. Now I know I need this section here, because see that fits in there. See there? Perfect. Okay? So I'm going to go ahead and cut this off just like this. I'm going to cut it just like that. And there is our patch piece that we will be using for our door.